Are laundry doors better with or without glass? For both internal and external laundry doors, incorporating glass is a great way of inviting a flow of light into an area of your home that is often smaller and darker. We have a range of glazing options and styles to choose from, including clear, frosted, double-glazed, and safe glass. Our Harmony range incorporates a Venetian blind between two panels of safe glass, giving you the option of natural light in your laundry area with the flexibility of privacy when you want it. The Claremont Collection combines timber and glass in a wide range of designs, while our Clifton composite doors are a great solution for your laundry, as you can choose a half glazed or third glazed option and can incorporate a pet door. Our Guardian 2-in-1 integrated screen door gives you the benefit of being able to open the window for a flow of light and air into your laundry room without compromising on security, as the steel mesh screen remains in place.